So the key things you have to think about when you're drawing the figure is that these are forms moving through space, moving through air. Some of the forms are coming towards you and some of the forms are moving away from you. So when they move away from you, they go out of focus. When they come towards you, they move into focus. Then you have to think about light. What is the light position over your form? If the light position is far away to the left, obviously everything on the left facing that is going to be brighter, and everything to the right is going to be in shadow. So you need to think kind of like a matrix. You have to really visualize whatever it is you're drawing in this space of sharpness, value systems, and that they're moving away from you or coming towards you. So when I take the drawing here, we have a picture of the model there, and you have the form here. The form here is traveling, moving from this point to this point. This point is the closest to you. So in essence, this form is traveling through space into this upper area here, right? And it's getting gradually, get a little bit of tone on my thing here. So I'm just going to create a kind of mid shadow here within my core. That. I'm going to deepen the shadow here along here, and I'm going to make it a little wider as well. So in the demo today, I did place down a line, but I do think the leg's a little thicker. So I'm going to add on a few millimeters to the top of the leg here, look. If I add on those millimeters, it means then that the line itself here needs sharper. So I'll zoom in on that section. And we are going to make the outer line around here, look. And then this line goes up. I'll actually put it on 2. There we go, that's better. So I always refer to this as surgery. So you're adding on, in essence, you're adding on a few millimeters to the flesh itself, right? So we can see now we've made the leg wider, and I'm going to continue this shadow this way. So I'm going to create the same value system coming through here, which curls around there, and I'm going to also darken here, whole base of the knee, bring the knee over, that, create a dent on the knee here, move this on here, a little wider, coming down. Okay, so we have our form. Now we'll take our rubber and we'll start to carve the form. So you can see I'm carving through space. And now I may want to soften these lines down a bit. I'm carving through space, around the form. Knees here. This is cut off here. Calf goes that way. Front of knee is there. This moves that way through. This curls that way more. And I'll curve the light around here, look. Once again, look at the sense of form. Now it's just a cylinder. It's nothing more than a cylinder.